In this video, I'll show you how to change the font in a Google Slides theme. If you want all your slides to use the same font style without changing each text box one by one, the best way is to edit the theme. In Google Slides, themes control the overall design of the presentation, and Google's Help Center explains that you can customize a presentation by changing the theme and editing theme elements. To start, open your presentation in Google Slides. Then go to the top menu and click Slide, then choose Edit Theme. In some Google Slides guides and interface references, this area is also described as the Theme Builder, where you manage the main theme and slide layouts for the whole presentation. Once it opens, you'll see a list of theme layouts on the left side. Now click the top slide in the theme editor. This is the main theme slide, and changes here can affect the rest of your presentation. Click the title placeholder, then choose the font you want from the font dropdown in the toolbar. After that, click the body text placeholder and change that font too if needed. Google's text formatting help confirms that you can change fonts from the toolbar, and Google Slides theme guidance shows that theme-level edits are used to control presentation-wide styling. If some slide types still look different, click through the individual layouts underneath the main theme slide. Some layouts can have their own title or body formatting, so you may need to update those separately to keep everything consistent. This is why it's a good idea to check the most commonly used layouts, like title slide, title and body, and section header layouts. Support community guidance for slides specifically notes that changing fonts through slide greater than edit theme is the way to update current and future slides more consistently. When you're done, close the theme editor and go back to your presentation. Your theme fonts should now apply across slides that use those theme placeholders and layouts. If a text box was added manually instead of using a theme placeholder, it may not automatically follow the theme font, so that is something to keep in mind. Google's help on text fitting and placeholders also distinguishes between placeholders and regular text boxes, which is why theme changes work best with layout-based text areas. So the simplest method is this. Open Slide, choose Edit Theme, select the main theme or layout, click the title or body placeholder, and then change the font from the toolbar. That's how to change the font in a Google Slides theme. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.